Autostrada are pleased to present this Land Rover Discovery 4 3-litre SDV6. This Land Rover is a 2013 63 registered car that has covered 65,000 miles. This Land Rover's exterior is red metallic, the interior beige leather. The specification of this Land Rover Discovery 4 includes factory side steps, cruise control, sat-nav, heated seats, DAB digital radio, climate control, aircon, Harman Kardon Hi-Fi and Hill Start Assist. Please visit our website where you can search for a car of your choice and where you can find a finance package suitable for your needs.